Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to make a video that goes viral. The first thing that you're going to want to do is to make sure that you have a fun and exciting intro to the video. That should look something like this. How to make a video that goes viral. So I've just showed you what a wonderfully entertaining intro looks like. Did you see that text? It was like text on the screen and it had like a black background, and that's so entertaining, and your audience are just going to be captivated by the intro and they'll want more. They want more. They want to know what the video's going to be about, because there's just so much happening in the intro. So just kind of follow that and that's a good start. So with the next part of the video, you want to stop talking. You've done talking already and you want to kind of mix it up and keep it fresh and interesting. So why not just close your mouth and don't say anything. You could hum. Try humming instead. Like If that doesn't make your video go viral, I don't know what will. Right, so now it's time to change your background. You don't want the same background over and over again for every single video that you make. It's boring. Your audience is going to get bored. That's not going to make a video go viral. So don't have the same background over and over again. That's a top advice. Try and film at different locations, such as the ocean or outer space. That is sure to draw the crowds in. Look, I'm going to change my background now so that you can see a clear demonstration of what it takes in order to make a video go viral. So I'm just going to move my background now. One moment. So we've completely altered our background, as you can see. And this video is sure to go viral, so just wait and see for the audience to come in. Just waiting. You'll see, with this fresh looking background. Just waiting for the audience. They'll be here any moment, don't worry about that. So now that we have dramatically altered the background, it's time to alter the foreground. Add some new faces. Nobody wants to look at the same face for each video. That is dull and completely unoriginal. If you cannot afford to have plastic surgery to alter your appearance for each video, then why not add a friend? So I'll just show you what a friend looks like. I don't have a friend to add for this video, but this is a demonstration. I'm not trying to make this video go viral, so you can add a friend. This is an example. I'll get my friends later to come on the videos, but this not at the moment. So if you don't have a friend, then ask a stranger to feature in the video. Make sure they are a nice stranger, because otherwise I could get in trouble for suggesting this as an idea. You should also be altering your physical appearance. Don't wear the same outfit over and over. That's not a good idea. You see, in a blink of an eye, I have completely altered my appearance, and you're probably asking, what's different? You have no idea. Well, the zip's a bit lower down, if you didn't know. So my appearance is different. It is the same outfit, yes, but the zip's lower down, so it looks like I'm wearing a different outfit, but it's not. It's still the same outfit. That's just trick of the camera trickery. So try that. If you don't have any other clothes, then just try some camera trickery. That could work as well. The final way to make your video go viral is to post it on the internet. If you don't post it on the internet, then there is a slightly less chance of it going viral. Oh, and just make sure that your video is interesting as well. It's important to be interesting. Don't sound monotone. If you sound monotone, then it is boring, and people have like short attention, short span, like life thinking. So you have to not talk, maybe talk in interesting way. Don't be boring. Just make the video fun. Make sure you know what you're talking about, and don't repeat. Don't repeat. Don't repeat. And that completes the tutorial on how to make your video go viral. You should now have the skills and toolset to be able to produce world famous videos. Oh, and get a device that records video footage as well. That is another piece of advice that I give you. Now I'm going to go and produce an amazing outro to this video to make it go viral. So I'm going to catch you later and see you. Right, how to do this? Help. The chair's spinning. That's interesting. It stopped. Off it goes again. Come on. Oh no. Have to keep it moving, otherwise the video won't go viral. Actually, it's a lot of work, this. It's not easy to produce a viral video, is it? Oh, that should be enough. That's plenty. I've moved it plenty. That's enough for the video to go viral. That's great. Oh look, the colours are slightly different here. If this doesn't go viral, I don't know what will.